If you are from Oklahoma and wondering how to become a plumber, then this video is just for you. We'll be going through every major aspect related to plumbing in Oklahoma. The records of the US Bureau of Labor Statistics state that there are about 6,410 plumbers in Oklahoma. Situated in the south central region of the United States, Oklahoma is home to approximately 3.98 million people. It is the 20th most extensive state out of the 50 states of the USA. Oklahoma's economic base is host to a diverse range of sectors, from natural gas and agriculture to aviation and telecommunications. It is one of the most business-friendly states of the nation. A number of top-ranked companies are headquartered in Oklahoma, and in 2007, the state had the 7th lowest tax burden. As of 2018, Oklahoma had a gross state product of $197.2 billion. Total employment in the state has been substantial as well. In this video, we will now look into the career prospects of a plumber and provide a detailed guide on plumbing in Oklahoma. Job outlook. There are 6,410 people engaged in the plumbing, pipe fitting and steam fitting industry in Oklahoma. Every 3.96 persons out of 1,000 people are employed in this sector. The average annual salary of a plumber in this state is $50,070. The range of wages extends from $28,030 to $77,960. The top 3 cities in Oklahoma in terms of the highest wages for plumbers are Oklahoma City, Tulsa, and Midwest City. Plumbers enjoy an hourly wage of $24.07. The wages for journeymen and master plumbers vary. While journeymen plumbers earn around $23.94 per hour, the average hourly wage enjoyed by a master plumber is $25.21. In December 2019, the BLS report stated that the unemployment rate in Oklahoma was 0.1% lower than the national average, which is an indication towards a stable and healthy economy. There are a lot of openings for plumbers in Oklahoma currently, and the scope therefore continues to grow. What insurance is required for plumbers in Oklahoma? The insurance policies for plumbers in Oklahoma are regulated by the Construction Industries Board of Oklahoma. Even after passing the exam and acquiring the plumbing license, this license will stand inactive until the board receives proof of the insurances listed below. 1. An active and working plumbing contractor must provide a certificate of insurance showing an evidence of a minimum of $50,000 commercial general liability insurance in the form of a certificate of general liability. The individual license holder's name must be on the certificate of insurance. The certificate holder is the Construction Industries Board. An active plumbing contractor must also carry a $5,000 corporate security bond payable to the Oklahoma Construction Industries Board with original signatures, seals, and power of attorney attached. The bond must be in the individual license holder's name. The bond must be continuous and provide for 30 days cancellation notice. Those plumbing contractors who have employees working with or under them must also get workers' compensation insurance, which will provide coverage for the medical expenditure of workers who get injured while at work. It is also necessary to get an unemployment tax account. The unemployment tax allows the government to tax businesses that have employees. The revenue hence collected is allocated to the state unemployment agencies. This is further granted to unemployed workers who are eligible to claim unemployment insurance. How to become a plumber in Oklahoma? 1. Must be 18 years of age or above, must have a high school or GED certificate. College degree or vocational courses are optional. One must also have 3 years of work experience as an apprentice plumber and must pass the licensing tests. Provided next is a step-by-step guide on how to become a plumber in Oklahoma. How to become an apprentice plumber? Before applying for a plumbing license in Oklahoma, it is mandatory to work as an apprentice plumber. These apprentices performing plumbing-related work must be registered and supervised by a journeyman plumber or a contractor in a ratio of no more than 3 apprentices to 1 contractor. The number of hours worked as an apprentice adds to the verifiable experience that is required to become a journeyman plumber. 3 years of experience under a licensed contractor is mandatory to apply for the journeyman license. However, a portion of these years could also be substituted by acquisition of new educational qualifications. Plumbing license in Oklahoma. There are two kinds of plumbing licenses in Oklahoma, a journeyman plumber license and a master plumber license. How to become a journeyman plumber in Oklahoma. The first step is to fill up an application form, the fee for which is $75. Once the application gets approved and the applicant is eligible for taking the examination, a third-party testing vendor is assigned for setting the date, time, and location of the exam. There are certain requirements that must be filled in order to become a journeyman plumber. 1. Must be 18 years of age and must have 3 years of experience in the plumbing trade under a licensed plumbing contractor. In case an applicant does not have the required experience of working for 3 years under a licensed contractor, it is mandatory to have an equivalent experience of 3 years in the US military or a verifiable out-of-state plumbing license. After acquiring the license, a licensed journeyman plumber must work under a contractor. A journeyman can supervise up to 3 apprentices and work at both small and large-scale projects. This journeyman experience under a contractor acts as an essential verifiable experience that is required to become a plumbing contractor. How to become a plumbing contractor? In order to become a plumbing contractor in Oklahoma, an application form must be filled out, the fee for which is $330. The next step is to take the examination. It is essential to pass both the business and the law sections and score a minimum of 75% in every section. Plumbing schools in Oklahoma. A number of trade schools or community colleges offer vocational and technical courses in plumbing. Enrolling in these courses is not mandatory for becoming a plumber, but it definitely adds more weightage to a prospective plumber's resume and widens their knowledge base at various points of becoming a plumber. Provided next is a list of colleges offering plumbing courses in some of the largest cities of Oklahoma, that is, Oklahoma City, Tulsa, and Norman. Best plumbing schools in Oklahoma City. Oklahoma City is the largest city in the Oklahoma state and it is also the capital of the state. It is home to a humongous population of more than 9 lakh people currently. The city has witnessed enormous economic diversification and by 2016 it had a gross metropolitan product of $73.8 billion. The city has been growing at a rapid rate. The schools are Moore Norman Technological Center, Oklahoma City, offers a short-term class in plumbing codes. This is in accordance with the Oklahoma statutes. Students receive 6 hours of continuing education during each code cycle in order to renew their license. This course also satisfies the Construction Industries Board criteria for licensed journeymen and contractors. The tuition cost is $79. Plumbers and Pipefitters Training Center, Oklahoma City. They offer a joint training and apprenticeship program. Plumbers and Pipefitters Local 344, Oklahoma City, offers an apprenticeship program in plumbing where students are taught about all aspects related to basics of plumbing, from installation to safety codes and blueprint reading. Best plumbing schools in Tulsa. Tulsa is the second largest city in Oklahoma with a population of approximately 4 lakh people. Today, Tulsa has an extremely diversified economy and the primary employers are small and medium-sized businesses. The schools are Tulsa Technological Center. It offers a dozen courses in specialized education. The plumbing courses fall under categories of licensing prep and continuing education. This trade school offers part-time classes in plumbing as well. Tulsa Welding School offers a course on welding and plumbing that allows students to gain a new career as a welder, plumber, pipe fitter, steam fitter in a duration of merely 10 months. Plumber training covers blueprint reading, math, safety, piping codes and other plumbing skills. Tulsa Pipe Trades Training School offers a 5-year apprenticeship cum training program. The students receive an hourly wage of $13.97 at the start and are evaluated every 6 months and promoted on the basis of this performance. Best plumbing schools in Norman. Norman is the third largest city in Oklahoma with approximately 1.23 lakh residents. Economically, the city is prominent in higher education. In 2008, it was recognized as the highest ranked city to live in Oklahoma. The schools are Moore Norman Technological Center, Norman. It offers the same short-term course in plumbing codes as offered by the Oklahoma City campus. In addition, the Norman campus also offers a course titled International Plumbing Codes. This coursework includes theoretical topics like administration, general regulation, sanitation, as well as more practical topics like water distribution and piping fixtures. The tuition fee is $215. A lot of trade schools also offer online vocational training courses on plumbing that interested students could consider. There are many other options of plumbing schools in Oklahoma that prospective plumbers could look into. There is a shortage of skilled workers in Oklahoma, but the state has been witnessing a steady boom in construction-related activities, as a result of which the demand for plumbers is increasing. As of 2019, 29% of the construction-type workers were above the age of 55 and advancing towards retirement. Therefore, it has been projected that this will lead to 7,000 new openings springing up annually in the construction and extraction sectors over the next 10 years. These jobs demand some sort of education beyond that of a high school degree, but presently, only 42% of the workforce qualifies. Continuous efforts are being made to increase educational scope and promote better wages and employment opportunities in the state of Oklahoma. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, 142,300 new jobs are expected to come up for plumbers and electricians at the national level by 2028. This paints a bright picture of the future of the plumbing industry in Oklahoma. We hope that this video has helped you to learn about some of the major aspects of plumbing in Oklahoma. For more videos on plumbing, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.